We've all been killed at least once by the piranha plant, and on this video I'm gonna show you how to make his figure. Enjoy and don't forget to leave your like if you like the figure creator. Let's begin. Creator, welcome to the third Super Smash Bros. Week video. On this video I'm gonna show you how to make piranha plant. As you can see, it's really not that hard. You can tell by the length of the video compared to others which are 10 to 12 minutes. So this is a very easy tutorial, so I really encourage you to try to make it at home if you want to make the figures. So let's begin the tutorial and enjoy, creator. Amazing creators, now to start with the tutorial, I always start my tutorials with a round wood plank with a nail in the middle. I have found that this is an amazing base for the figures, but this is completely optional, so you are free to use it if you want to. But I really recommend it if you want to use the figures as decorations like I do, since this is really an amazing base. But to start with the tutorial, for the flower pot we are gonna use brown like you saw, and with a brush we're gonna make the little details that a flower pot usually has on the sides, on the dark brown area. And for the interior of the flower pot, you could say, for the sand we are gonna make it with a small ball stylus. We're gonna make a lot of small dots across all the earth, you could say. Great, now we're gonna make the leaves. These are really easy to make. As you can see, we're only gonna take a small portion of green clay, and we will make the small spikes, you could say, that are across the sides. And we will make a smaller replica with a lighter green on the inside to make it look like this. Then you only have to draw the details, you could say, that a leaf has, and that way we are gonna be done with the leaves. It's extremely easy to make. So in everything, you could say that this figure is extremely easy to make, so as I said before, I really recommend you to try it. It's really fun to make and really ends up like an amazing decoration. Also, I gotta tell you that I use cold porcelain. I have found that this is an amazing material for this kind of figures, but the tutorial is gonna be useful for regular clay and polymer clay. Since the only difference in this video, it's only the fact that you will have to bake it if you're using polymer clay, and in the case of cold porcelain I only had to wait. The microphone turned off. As I was saying, in case of the cold porcelain you only have to wait until it dries. So it's really an amazing material to use. I really recommend that you use it instead of polymer clay, but it really is up to you. So let's begin with the tutorial of the face. Great, I really love this part of the video since the face really turns out kind of creepy and funny, of how the face looks like without the big lips. As you can see, it really looks like something that is really dangerous and not something much of Mario games, you could say. But you're gonna see how after we add the lips, it really becomes the piranha plant that we all know. So the lips are the most important part of the face, or the head, or the face, you could say, of the whole piranha plant. So it's the part that you really have to pay closer attention, you could say. As you can see now that we added the lips, it really looks more like the piranha plant, and after this we only have to add the white dots across the whole head and we will practically be done. After this we only have to cover the whole figure with matte lacquer, which is the way that I love to end all of my figures, since it really gives it an amazing finish to the whole figure. But after this we will be practically done with the figure. Great. Amazing creators, and this is how Piranha Plant turned out. I really love the end result. It's an amazing figure to even have as a decoration. But if you like the figure, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe and share, and I'm gonna talk to you on the next video, creator. Bye.